Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you make hat from squirrel loom. Material: squirrel looms, 36 pegs, hook, yarn needle, 1 ball, K cotton, 3.5 millimeter. Let's get started. Tie it to the first peg, then catch on all pegs. Wrap with each peg 2 times. Pull the bottom loop over the top loop. Keep making this for all these pegs. They are the basic of loom knitting. Repeat this process, same more round, knit until getting a length of 16 centimeters. Now sit the first loop back on the pegs. Pull the bottom loop over the top loop and repeat this for all the pegs. Group 1. Let's get started. Wrap twist each peg. Pull the bottom loop over top loop. Keep making this for all the pegs. Repeat 5 rows. Group 2. Let's get started. Grab twist first peg. Pull the bottom loop over the top loop. Then take the working yarn and you're gonna put it under the exciting loop on the next page. With your hook, you're gonna scoop up that working yarn to create new loop and take off the old loop. Put the new loop on and pull. Repeat first peg and second peg small round. Repeat for 5 rows. Repeat group 1 and group 2. Same all around. Knit until getting a length of 23 mm. Now proceed to close the head. Third the yarn needle. Pass the needle through. The first loop from the bottom to the top and slide the loop that is on the peg off. Repeat this process for all the pegs. Pull the yarn to close the head. Pass the needle through the hole and finish off the head. Cut off the yarn. I hope you enjoy making this project. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye.